Yo, what is up, guys? Today, we're gonna play some Pet Simulator 92. Alright, guys, this is the 92nd edition for Pet Simulator. I'm sure all you guys have heard of Pet Simulator. But yeah, this is Pet Simulator 92, link in the description. But, you're probably wondering, what makes this Pet Simulator 92 better than all the other pet simulators? Well, don't worry, because I'll tell you that right now. We have quests, we have hats, we have 5 billion game passes. Oh, but you're probably thinking, Pet Simulator has that too. Well, yeah, guys, because literally every Pet Simulator knockoff has all the same things. And you want to know what's even great? This game has the most people playing it on Roblox. I'm not losing. Oh no, it doesn't. I'm not losing faith in humanity. Oh, I got a cool hat. Wow. Oh my gosh. All right, let's. Nope, I don't want to enchant. I can't even like delete it, so I'll just have like 8 trillion hats in my inventory. But yeah. So this is Pet Simulator 92. All right. What's up? KKCKCKXYZ123, whatever your name is. But you're probably thinking, oh, this game seems kind of boring. Well, I'm here to tell you, it is. Well, it's like every other game. It has 5 billion doors in a row. Um, each area looks different, but is actually the same because you do the same thing, like clicking boxes and getting coins. Oh, but oh, it's not like we could just go to the shop right here and no, they're not there. Never mind. It's not like we could click right here and buy them. We need giant billboards because the owner wants insane amount of Robux for like barely any gems, you know? It's not. Yeah, it's not like we need a giant wall that says VIP. Have like 80,000 game passes, but let's keep playing some Pet Simulator. Look, I have 666 coins. Let's keep playing some Pet Simulator 92. All right. See how amazing this game is. I'm already bored. What a fun game. I mean, it looks pretty much the exact same. Like, if this was an area in Pet Simulator, like, it would fit in there. Oh my god, we got a new hat. Wow, I'm gonna... Oh, that hat sucks. Oh, got another one. Got a frisbee. Alright, how do I... Alright, I don't want to wear the... Actually, let's wear the frisbee. Alright, unequip. Alright, you guys like my frisbee head? If I spin really fast, legend says that you'll fly away. And it's not like these quests are very repetitive or anything. Wow, alright, we can almost go to the new area, guys. Oh yeah. Alright, we unlocked the first area, guys. I'm so cool. There's like 8 billion people in the server, alright. Whoa, we can enchant now, and there's a coin chest. Oh, and just if you guys forgot that you could buy these, nope, because they're on every single door. Here you can merge your hats and make them stronger, alright. Enchant. That sucks. Alright, let's enchant a good hat. Cancel. Uh, enchant with all of these. Oh, it literally does nothing. Whoa. Oh, this guy's a frisbee too. And apparently you can get pets too. What a surprise. I'm sure you guys didn't guess it. Literally every game like this has pets. Alright, let's just keep hitting the magic purple box with the hammer. Just keep clicking the quest for coins. Again, I'm very bored. No, I don't want to spend 400 Robux on this Pet Simulator 92 copy game. Yes. What? What is this coin chest? Yes. I'm recording this new Pet Simulator 92 game is so fun. I'm not exaggerating at all. Whoa, look at all these coins. It's not like they could have just, like, gave us, like, 3 coins that had the same value of all those. Nope. Alright. Come on. I'm a box cutter, guys. Apparently I cut boxes with a big hammer. Because that makes sense. Alright. Let's finish breaking this magical purple box. Wonder what's in there. Trash? No. Oh man, I got a new hat. Whoa, alright. I'm gonna have to sadly unequip the magic frisbee. Because this one's better. Alright. Got some more coins. Let's go back to spawn. Oh, we can't even reset. I bet you there's a teleport game pass. They disabled resetting. So I bet there's a teleport game pass. Or a faster walk speed at least. Yeah, 2 times walk speed. What's VIP give you? Just a new area. Yeah, they disabled walk speed. Or they disabled resetting. So people would have to walk everywhere. And then they're like, oh, let me add a running game pass because you can't reset. And I'm a game dev that's literally hungry for millions of Robux, which this game has probably made. No, not yet. When did this come out? This game was created less than a month ago. Alright. Let's buy a new amazing hammer. Alright. At least there's teleporters. At least they were nice enough to let us teleport. Alright, let's see how amazing this magical hammer is. Whoa, guys. I can get 80 coins faster now. I'm gonna be rich in no time. Oh my gosh, we got a new hat. It probably sucks. Alright, let's take off that one. Unequip that one. Or equip that one. Oh yeah, I look so cool right now, guys. 10 out of 10 avatar. Oh no. I need my 80 coins. I'll live off of that. Whoa, we got a crown, guys. We're gonna be so rich and magical. Alright, unequip. Equip. Oh yeah, we look way cooler. That doesn't look that bad, to be honest. It's got like a blue thing sticking out. Alright. Oh yeah, best game ever, guys. 10 out of 10. Whoa. We got a hat and a diamond. Alright, what is this one? Is this one better? Yep. Guys, if you haven't already, like the vid, subscribe, but more importantly, go to this game, hit it with a nice favorite, and a nice big thumbs up. Alright. Let's go back into this amazing game. Oh, I look really stupid right now. Alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, I see you trying to steal my purple box. Get out of here, boy. My purple box. Oh, it's a big purple box. Oh yeah, no one's stealing this purple box. I bet you there's amazing things inside of this purple box. No, I see you trying to come. That's why I beat it already. Well, I got so much coins. This purple box is also mine. Whoa, this person got her original lyrics right there. Alright. Nope. My purple box. I even got a cool hat. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. Alright. Guys, we have finished playing this amazing game. I cannot play it anymore without literally crying on the inside and out. If you guys could not tell, I was joking a lot throughout the video. But my honest opinions about games like these is it's kind of annoying seeing literally every single game being the exact same. Just new areas with like walls that you need to buy with coins, and you're doing the same thing over and over and over again just to get more money, just to get more boxes, just to buy more doors, to get more boxes, to get more money, to get more swords, to get more boxes. It's just so repetitive and boring, and literally every game dev is copying each other. So, Unsquared, Brink, Coke, Kevin, man, please make some like original games. All right, I know that you're making bank off of this game, but it's literally copying. No, it's not copying. It's like greatly inspired, not inspired, but like so many games are doing the same thing, and it's just boring. And games like these never stay on the front page long. None of the simulators really do. Bee Swarm kind of does, because Bee Swarm isn't that repetitive. Because there's like lots of quests to do, but all these games are basically the same. But I hope you guys did enjoy my video. Check out my Discord, link in the description below. Along with my fan group. Check out Modded Doomspire. Check out everything, link in the description below. Hope you guys did enjoy. That is everything. Peace.